About rental insurance for a rental car tonight on The Law and You. I'm excited about this question with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
You just had this issue, didn't you?
Let me ask you. Here's the question. Let me get to the question, then I'll throw my spin on it and have you guys answer it. All right, so Dave in Marshalls Creek wants to know, I went to rent a car and not sure if I needed rental insurance. I took it, but I'm not sure if I wasted my money. Now, Dave, this is what I did and what I do. Every time when I'm offered insurance with a rental car, I turn it down because I believe my current auto insurance policy covers that car. Am I right or am I wrong?
Survey says...
It depends.
Depends.
No. So I could be right.
You could be right, but here's what we always recommend. And you know, if you take the insurance, because what it does is it gives you an added layer of protection. Some rental policies, or some automobile policies, have an exclusion for rental cars. So some don't. Mine doesn't. And you have to, you know, and I just know that because I read through my policy. So you have to read through your policy and know that your policy will cover you if you are in a rented vehicle. And some of them also have a time period. Like if you rented a car for more than 7 days, then the exclusion kicks in. So you have to know the specific provisions of your policy in order to really answer that question. We always just recommend taking the coverage.
Yeah, and I think before you enter into that contract, you should check with your agent. They can tell you. If you don't have your policy handy, you can make a quick phone call. And I think even some credit cards offer some insurance through their credit. You know, so you should double check. You know, check with your credit card company, check with your agents, and find out. Ask a couple questions. You could save some money, but at the end of the day, sometimes the property damage becomes a big issue too. With you know, it's maybe not all be covered. So, you know, if do a cost analysis, see what works best for you. But having a little extra insurance, driving where you're not overly familiar, may not be such a bad thing.
Absolutely.
In different states, yeah. So.
All right, so at the very least, check your policy.
Absolutely.
To see if you have
check with your agent.
Or not. Yep. Good advice. All right, if our viewers want to talk to you and maybe even send you their insurance policy to have it looked at, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or if you want to email your insurance policy, get the entire policy, not just the deck page. Get the entire policy, and we certainly can take a look at that. Can answer it for you like that.
Sure.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Take care.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.